This is a simple structure to keep your small fruit trees warm. Just basically some plastics with sticks around. I don't have enough star pickets, so I'm temporarily using bamboo sticks on one corner. And this is a young avocado tree. They normally can withstand cold, but they can't withstand the cold wind. So you need to protect it from the wind. The wind, when it's too cold, it can kill the whole plant. There's another variety. Avocados are basically subtropical, and we are in a temperate climate. So over the winter, this will give them some warmth.